Hello viewers. Have you ever faced a problem where you need to edit a PDF but you are not able to do so because your PDF document is scanned? No need to worry. Today I will show you how to edit a scanned PDF document manually in a very precise way. You can see a PDF document on the screen. Let's first see if it can be edited online. I searched for Edit PDF on Google. Google shows me many results that can be used to edit PDF documents. First of all, you can see Sejda. This is a very popular PDF editor online tool worldwide. Let's try it. When I enter the Sejda, it asks me to upload a PDF document. I uploaded my PDF document. Look, my document has been uploaded and it's showing here. Now I'm going to try to edit it. I'm going to change the company name here to my company name. So let's click on the company name. Shit. Sejda shows that scanned PDF editing is not supported. That means Sejda can't edit a scanned PDF document. Let's close Sejda and try to edit the document manually offline. To edit a scanned PDF documents offline, you will need a software named Photoshop. You can download Adobe Photoshop from online, or if you have any issue to download the software, you can contact us. We will provide the software free. Here I have already downloaded and installed Photoshop on my computer. Now just drag and drop the scanned PDF in Photoshop. Here it shows perfectly in Photoshop. Now I will show you how to change the company name and logo from here. First select Type tool from the toolbar and type the same text you want to change. Select the whole text you have written and match the font from the menu bar. You can change the fonts by scrolling mouse or pressing the arrow keys from your keyboard. Which font is matched with your document text, just click and select the font. Now match the font color by the eyedropper tool to match the font color perfectly with your original document. Now adjust the text size from the menu bar to match the font size with the original document perfectly. Now place the new text in front of the original text to match the line spacing with the original text perfectly. You can adjust it by showing transform layers from the menu bar. Adjust it by selecting the anchor point and dragging the mouse. At the same time, press and hold Shift button from keyboard so that the text size does not increase. Do it carefully to match 100% perfectly so then your edited text looks natural. Then hide the new text layer from the layer panel. Select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar and select the area of the text you want to change. Select the background color by the eyedropper tool to match the background color perfectly with the original document. Now press the right button of the mouse and select Fill. Select Fill with background color and press OK. The background color is matched perfectly. Now make visible the new text layer from the layer panel. You can see the layer is fully editable now. You can edit it easily. I am putting my company name here. See? It's looking natural now. We will change the logo now. Select the background layer again and select the logo area to remove the previous logo. Right-click from the mouse and select Fill with background color again. The previous logo is removed. Now open your file manager and fit the logo you want to place in the document. Drag and drop the logo into the right place of the document. You can move it with Move tool and transform it with pressing Ctrl+T button from the keyboard and adjusting by mouse. See? Our logo placing is successful. That's how you can edit a scanned PDF document with Photoshop manually without any hassle. Let's save the edited PDF document to see if there is any difference between the original and the edited document. Now open the original document in a PDF viewer and open the edited document in a different PDF viewer. Place the two side by side and check if there is any difference between the two documents. See the result in front of you. The original document and the edited document look exactly the same, there is no difference. In this way, you can also edit any of your scanned documents with the help of Photoshop. If you have any problem editing or you cannot edit it yourself, then contact us. We are ready to edit any of your scanned documents perfectly in a very short time. Visit our website 2nor.com or send a message directly on WhatsApp or Telegram. And to get more such educational videos, subscribe to our channel and stay by our side. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.